Welcome to our Money Basics series. Today, we're diving into two critical financial terms that can make or break your financial decisions. A PR and a PY annual percentage rate and annual percentage yield might sound similar, but they serve completely different purposes in your financial life. Understanding these differences is crucial whether you're borrowing money or investing your savings. These rates directly impact how much you pay on loans and how much you earn on investments. Let's break down these concepts step by step. A PR stands for annual percentage rate. Think of a PR as the total yearly cost of borrowing money. When you take out a loan or use a credit card, the PR tells you exactly how much that borrowed money will cost you over 1 year. It's not just the interest rate. A PR includes everything: the base interest rate, plus any additional fees like origination fees, processing charges, or annual fees. This makes a PR incredibly useful for comparing different loan offers because it gives you the complete picture of borrowing costs in one single number. A PY stands for annual percentage yield. Unlike a PR, a PY is all about earning money, not spending it. A PY shows you the actual return you'll get on your savings account, certificate of deposit, or investment over 1 year. The key difference is that a PY includes the power of compounding. Compounding means you earn interest not just on your original deposit, but also on the interest you've already earned. This snowball effect can significantly boost your returns over time, making a PY higher than the simple interest rate. Here's the fundamental difference. A PR represents what you pay when you borrow money, while a PY represents what you earn when you save or invest money. A PR is associated with loans, credit cards, and mortgages essentially anytime you're the borrower. A PY is associated with savings accounts, money market accounts, and certificates of deposit anytime you're the lender or investor. Remember this simple rule: a PR costs you money, a PY makes you money. This distinction is crucial for making smart financial decisions. The PR calculation takes into account all the costs of borrowing. The formula divides the total annual cost, including interest and fees, by the principal amount, then adjusts for the loan term. This comprehensive approach means that two loans with the same interest rate but different fees will have different APRs. The loan with higher fees will have a higher APR, giving you a clearer picture of which loan is actually more expensive. Always compare APRs, not just interest rates, when shopping for loans. A PY calculation is more complex because it factors in compounding. The formula raises 1 plus the periodic interest rate to the power of the number of compounding periods per year, then subtracts 1. This mathematical approach captures how your money grows when interest is added to your account and then earns interest itself. The more frequently interest compounds daily versus monthly versus annually, the higher your APY will be. This is why a PY is always equal to or higher than the simple interest rate. Let's look at practical examples. A credit card might advertise an 18% APR. This means if you carry a balance for a full year, you'll pay 18% of that balance in interest and fees combined. On the savings side, a bank might offer a 2% APY on a savings account. This means your money will grow by 2% over the year, including the benefits of compounding. These real numbers help you understand the true cost of borrowing and the real return on your savings. Remember these essential points. A PR shows the cost of borrowing and applies to loans and credit cards. A PY shows your return on savings and applies to deposit accounts and investments. When borrowing, look for the lowest APR to minimize costs. When saving or investing, look for the highest APY to maximize returns. Understanding both a PR and a PY empowers you to make informed financial decisions, whether you're comparing loan offers or choosing where to park your savings. These two simple acronyms can save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.